Hello everyone, my name is Saposa. Today I'm just going to tell you my challenge that I will be doing. I'm just going to show you how you can pass your challenge by investing about $100 or maybe $50. So instead of you to fund your $100 your $50, so my advice is for you to buy profile, try to pass it, get 10% and start investing your money. There was a video that I did in the last few months that I said I will be going to invest $100 and also try to take the investing $100 to buy a challenge and start to pass the challenge and try to get about maybe 500,000 account, but I was not able to do the video, so I'm very sorry. I apologize because of things didn't go well as I planned, but I will be starting the challenge this week. Okay, so I just going to invest by $50 and see how I could pass the challenge, and after the payout of the challenge I will see how I can be able to buy the bigger account and try to pass it until I get to 500,000. So I hope you will follow me in this journey. So I'm very sorry that I was not able to continue with the challenge, but I will be doing the challenge. I will start the challenge this week. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already trading right now. So as you can see, it's my account here. So as you can see, I'm already 140. Yeah, this is my small account that I'm trying to build, but it's alright. This is not the reason why I'm doing this video. The reason why I'm doing this video is that just to tell you that I will be starting the challenge that I said I'm going to be doing before. I hope you people will enjoy the challenge, and thank you very much for your patience. Bye bye.